Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. Today we are having a look at the 1x48 Westland Lynx HMA8 MK88A or MK90B. This is the three versions that you can produce with this within this box. It's a 1/48 scale, and it is or doesn't say how many pieces. We need to have a look inside. I thought this would bring the number of pieces and when it was manufactured. No, it just says the thingies, the versions. Length is 316 millimeters, with 265 millimeters and 296 pieces inside this box. So you can build the Westland Lynx from Her Majesty, HMA8. You can build the Westland Lynx MK88A and Westland Lynx MK90B. So these three versions are in the box, and this is a skill level 4 with 4 flying hours, as you guys can see on here. So I haven't opened this yet. A small disclaimer is that this kit was given to me by Airfix on the Content Creators Day. So, but I'm under no obligation to say only good things about it. So if there's problems, I will arise them and I'll let you know. So we can start by the decals and instructions on it. Let's have a look to the. So this is you have. This will be for the MK90B, for the Danish Navy Air Squadron. You have all the stencils on this side, which is the thing that I like on Airfix at the moment, because they are doing these kind of things. So they are giving you like a big poster with all the colors and the position of decals and stencils. Nice touch. And then you have the British Air Station Evansville, Somerset, England, 2017. First impressions on this, they look absolutely brilliant and they are really good. Now, decals, they are printed by Cartograph, as they have used us to, so they look good. You have all the version, then you have the common decals, so there's not much to say. They are Cartograph, so what else can we ask? Nothing much. So instruction wise, we have counter-piracy, air-sea rescue, and anti-surface warfare. So this tells you what goes in what. So you have machine gun on here, the winch on here for the air rescue, and the bombs for the surface war. Instructions nicely detailed, so that tells you which versions they should go on and all of that. So I'm quite impressed with that. Very detailed, so you always have the mention to what version you are building. So on this one, use this panel for the version A, this panel for the version B and C. So it's they are very clear and straightforward. Yeah, they are really good. And again, a call out for the version that you are building. Interior seems very detailed as well, which is always good in a 48 scale. Yeah, we are on 53 steps, 67 steps. Blimey, this is gonna be a long build, isn't it? 77, 80? So many more steps. Blimey. So yeah, you have all the So you have 120 steps, 137, 138. So 141 steps. The good thing that I like about it, and that I love about it, is that you can do the folded version or the open version. You have the supports for the blades, which is a lovely touch. I love this. And you can fold the wing. So the only thing I don't know is that if we can build the blades in a way that we can store them away, or if they, so it's optional, so doesn't offer the option of folding the blades and open them as you wish. So this one is 110. So if you go to one, yeah, shoot, this is for me is the downside. For me is a downside. I would love to be able to open them and close them as I wish, but again, it's not perfect. Life is not perfect, so we go with that. So having seen this, let's go to the spruce. Put this aside for now. So sprue wise, I'm gonna open the bag with you. I never opened this yet. So let's get it open. Blade has seen better days. It's not the sharpest one, but still cut. That's the main thing. Right, spruce wise, we have. Come on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the clear parts. Okay, let's put the clear parts away for now. And let's have a look onto this. First impressions so far, there's an insane amount of detail. I'm actually very surprised with it. Because I don't know if you guys can see it, but all these rivets, let me try to focus on the camera. See all these rivets? It looks absolutely stunning. Look. The inside, the fuselage, and the lines are very subtle, are not very deep and engraved like the old stuff from Airfix. So you can see that they have nice and subtle lines. Same thing on here, look. Let me see if you can focus. See, same thing on here. So it looks very, very, very good. There's a little bit of flash here, but that's expected. There's no such thing as perfect model. The tail section is the same thing. You have all the rivets and all the details on here. It's absolutely amazing as well. Quite love it. The belts are injected on the seat, so you can paint them or you can remove them and add some straps onto it. Yeah, this is the weapon part, which again, there's no flash onto it. There's not much that I can point out, say, or to try to point something bad to it. So yeah, as you can see, even on the landing gear, which is small parts, there's barely no flash, if any flash at all. So I'm very surprised with it. I'm very, very happy with it. And then the downfall, so that you have the closet or the open wings. You have the top of the fuselage, the exhausts. Yeah, it looks very good. Looks absolutely amazing. Right, first impressions. It looks a decent piece of kit. I'm very, very, very impressed with it. Quite love it, to be honest with you guys. Clear parts. There's nothing major, because sometimes you get the orange peel effect. There's a couple of things on here, but I think they are fairly neglectable. But yeah, clear parts wise, they look really good. All in all, an excellent kit. I'll be building this soon as well, like all the others that I've been reviewing. You will have the build log for these ones as well. So stay tuned on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Leave me your opinions, what you think about it. And yeah, stay tuned for the build. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all around.